Cold shower, 21 done, 3 weeks done in a row. Good morning, everybody. It is 9:45. Woke up, did prayer. My machinist is coming in around 10, so I'm just gonna go shave and then meet with him, give him his pay, then I'll come back, run, go for a run, take a cold shower, and then just do some things in the house. My goal for this weekend is literally just to get back in the zone, just get back to waking up early, getting my shit done early. Today we're gonna get back into that mode. Oh. Alright, anyways, gonna get ready, head to the shop, then I'll come back, and then we'll do the workout and cold shower and everything. Alright, bye. Alright, so I went to the shop, dropped my machinist gave my machinist his pay, then got some water and supplies for the shop. I came back. Now I'm gonna get ready for the gym. Just gonna run, clear my head a little bit, then we'll come back, have a nice cold shower. So, see you guys at the gym. Just been so out of it past couple days. We're heading to the gym. Let's do 5 miles. Let's clear our heads and just get back in the zone. 5 miles is a lot. I haven't run more than 4 for a while. We're gonna go nice and slow and easy. I'm not gonna kill myself. I just wanna go for a long run, clear my head. Get back in the zone, reset. We're doing pretty good. 2 weeks back when I first started this. Now it's day 21, 3 weeks. Holy shit, it's already been 3 weeks since I first started this content creation journey. Let's see, what have we done in 3 weeks? Created our nameplate project, delivered about 4 POs, started social media on YouTube. It's actually been quite a lot in 3 weeks. I'm pretty happy with the progress for the most part. I mean, we're up to 24 subscribers now. Although I think it'll be a little bit more exponential as we grow and get more and more views. More people see us. We revise the content, make it better, make it higher quality. So I got a mic, a $10 mic, so the audio will sound better too. Eventually we'll get higher quality videos. But really just got to get back in the zone, get back into working out, doing a nice solid workout every single day. That's the goal. The bare minimum is train every day. The goal is to have a solid workout every day. Going from there to there is a big jump. Going from 0 to training every day is a big jump there in itself. And then going from, okay, you're doing basic training where you just get some exercise versus actually pushing yourself every single day, it's the other huge jump. Alright. 5 miles. I'm going to get it done. See you guys after. We're going to take a cold shower, do some cold shower thoughts. Yeah, continue the rest of our day. Peace. Finished my run. It's kind of a shitty workout. Just couldn't run straight 5 miles. I had to keep pausing. So I ended up running a little bit longer just to make up for that. Ran 5.52 miles, but oh man, I'm just out of shape. All right, we're gonna go back to the studio, have a cold shower, and then just do some chores around the studio, clean up, and then get to work. All right, peace. You ever have one of those days where it's just everything is so difficult, everything takes so much effort? Yeah, it's one of those days for me. Literally just doing that run with so much effort. I gotta fucking do a cold shower. Just so much effort. Just gotta power through that. Man, there are other days where it's just like boom, 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 boom. But today it's just like fucking slow. Anyways, let's just get through this cold shower. And then at least we'll have conquered the day. Cold shower, 21 done. 3 weeks done in a row. It's cold shower thoughts. I would say the only thought I really have in my head is, can you beat your enemy's best at your worst? It's kind of the thought that goes in my head when I'm running and I just feel like terrible, but I want to complete the workout. So then I realize this is at my worst and I need to be able to beat my opponent's best. I need to still show up. I still need to complete the workout. I still need to get it done and get better. So at your worst, you got to be better than your opponent's best. And you got to push yourself even at your worst to get the bare minimum done that your opponent can't do. Keep leveling up that way. Today's one of those days where it's just pushing through and getting it done and getting the stuff I need to do done. Finally, workout done, prayer done, cold shower done. And at the shop, my machinist is making some parts, filling some orders, and I'm gonna take a little bit of a rest and then get back to work. All right, 21 days done. Tomorrow I'll need to take a second and look at actually what the numbers are for the content, how we've been doing, how we've been growing, what I need to change. I already looked at some of my past videos. I realized I made some mistakes, but it is getting faster. It takes me about 30 minutes to make a video and upload it. And now that I got a mic, I think the quality of the audio is going to be better. And so now it's just up to me to really elevate my level of speech and my thoughts and making it clear, not repeating myself. So I realized I have a lot of these weird habits during my filmmaking that I want to get rid of so it's not repetitive or it's not boring. Anyways, we're doing a lot better. 21 days, 21 videos, along with all the YouTube shorts we're making. Posting a lot of content. Gotta keep that up, keep that growing. 24 subscribers. Thank you to all 24 of you that are subscribed. Thank you to the couple of viewers that are listening and watching. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, back at the shop. Man, looking at the situation in LA, there's these big wildfires going on. It's crazy. It makes me feel very blessed to have my home and have everybody I love in a safe area, in a safe space. So I was just thinking about, what should I do today? I don't really know. So we have the nameplate project. I think I'm just gonna review my YouTube videos. I have these other products that I've been interested in making, but the nameplates will take a couple more days, and then yeah, I just need to get more visibility on that product. Get some orders. it's kind of a tough situation. This is maybe when things are slow and you're just trying to figure out how to get more attention, more orders. It's tough. I mean, what can you really do? I don't really know. I mean, Instagram. So I posted Instagram. I posted everywhere I could think of. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Well, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, everywhere, right? About the nameplate product. And I don't really know more. Like, should I post about it again? So far there's been 15 views to the listing, 8 visits, which is good, but there's no orders. I ended up coming back to the studio, just rested, and I had a really bad headache, so I was just resting. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna clip up some YouTube videos, make more social media content, continue posting about those nameplates. My machinist is continuing the manufacturing of the nameplates, and we're just gonna try to get a couple orders. If I can just get like 4 or 5 orders of nameplates, that'd be pretty good. So that's the goal. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a day today. I mean, pretty uneventful day. Just there's a lot of chaos, but at least I got the bare minimum done. Sometimes days are just like that, right? You're a little bit lost. You just have to kind of waddle your way through. But tomorrow we're gonna try to wake up early. You're gonna do better and get some shit done.